Kingdom Monera. Bacteria are the sole member of Kingdom Monera. They are the most abundant microorganism. Bacteria occur almost everywhere. Hundreds of bacteria are present in a handful of soil. They also live in extreme habitats such as hot springs, deserts, snow, and deep oceans, where very few other life forms can survive. Many of them live in or on other organisms as parasites. Bacteria are grouped under four categories based on their shape: the spherical coccus, the rod-shaped bacillus, the comma-shaped vibrio, and the spiral. Through the bacteria, structure is very simple. They are very complex in behavior compared to many other organisms. Bacteria as a group show the most intensive metabolic diversity. Some of the bacteria are autotrophic. They synthesize their own food from inorganic substrate. They may be photosynthetic autotrophic or chemosynthetic autotrophic. The vast majority of bacteria are heterotrophs. They depend on the other organism or on dead organic matter for food. Archaebacteria. These bacteria are special since they live in some of the most harsh habitats, such as extreme salty areas, halophiles, hot springs, thermophilophiles, and marshy areas, methanogens. Archaebacteria differ from other bacteria in having a different cell wall structure, and this feature is responsible for their survival in extreme conditions. Methanogens are present in the gut of several ruminant animals, such as cows and buffaloes, and they are responsible for the production of methane biogas from dung of these animals. Eubacteria. There are thousands of different eubacteria or true bacteria. They are characterized by the presence of a rigid cell wall and if motile a flagellum. The cyanobacteria, also referred to as blue-green algae, have chlorophyll A similar to green plants and are photosynthetic autotrophs. The cyanobacteria are unicellular, colonial, or filamentous, freshwater or marine or terrestrial algae. The colonies are generally surrounded by gelatinous cells. They often form blooms in polluted water bodies. Some of these organisms can fix atmospheric nitrogen in a specialized cell called heterocyst, nostoc, and anabina. Chemosynthetic autotrophic bacteria oxidize various inorganic substances such as nitrates, nitrites, ammonia, and use the released energy for their ATP production. They play a great role in recycling nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, iron, and sulfur. Heterotrophic bacteria are most abundant in nature. The majority of important decomposers, many of them have a significant impact on human affairs. They are helpful in making curd from milk, production of antibiotics, fixed nitrogen in legumes, fruits, etc. Some are pathogens causing damage to human beings. Crop farm animal and pets chlorella, typhoid, tetanus, citrus canker are well-known diseases caused by different bacteria. Bacteria reproduce mainly by fusion. Sometimes under unfavorable conditions they produce spores. They are reproduced by a sort of sexual reproduction by adopting a primitive type of DNA transfer from one bacterium to the other. The mycoplasma are the organisms that are completely like a cell wall. They are the smallest living cell known and can survive without oxygen. Many mycoplasma are oxygenic in the animal and plant. Animal parts.